ILL sends approximately 12,500 tons of coil and steel plate every day into the 312 metre long shop on the Wurst Alpine site in Linz. 4 manually operated process cranes handle the transport. Up to 65% of the supply is carried out by rail, 25% by road and 10% by water. 2 Danube ships can be loaded and unloaded in the shop regardless of the weather conditions. In the second shop, ILL mainly stores material that is delivered directly via an underground connection out of the production department at Wurst. Transport is carried out chiefly by rail. Here also 4 manually operated process cranes are used. Based in Ibsitz, Austria, Welser is the leading European manufacturer of cold-worked profiles and special section tubes, with numerous national and international branches. The warehouse holds approximately 25 to 30,000 tons of coil. Approximately 600 tons is delivered daily by rail and stored in 3 areas using the computer-aided crane. The barcode is scanned and transmitted to the stock control computer. The destination coordinates for storage, the X, Y and Z axes, are displayed on the crane terminal. The stock control computer carries out a plausibility check before transmitting this data. While the crane operator carries out the storage task aided by the crane positioning system, the stock control system continuously monitors the position of the trolley, crane and lifting unit and updates the stock status. Once a retrieval or storage action has been completed, the crane operator accesses the next action on the crane terminal. To ensure flexibility for special cases, the operator can ignore the advice of the computer and select a more suitable storage area, which is then updated in the stock control system. This semi-automated crane is the forerunner to the fully automated process crane. The time-consuming task of searching for coils has been eliminated. There are no operational problems such as those caused by the enclosure of automated cranes. A request is made via the stock control computer to deliver a coil to the splitting machine. The second crane takes over the removal of the split coils with its C-hook. This operation is usually radio controlled. The crane is also used to change the tools for the splitting machine using a special lifting beam. As this crane is equipped with the same technology, it can also take over computer-aided retrieval and storage actions in special cases. The coil magnet is replaced with a coil gripper to transport aluminium coils. Bilstein in Hagen, Hohenlimburg, one of 3 locations, processes 400,000 tons of steel annually. 3 trains with 10 wagons each of wide strip and 2 wagons of narrow strip coils have to be unloaded daily within a very short time, 2,300 tons per day. Bilstein buys mainly from European foundries. When the train delivers the steel, the order and specification data are already identified on the operator's system. The data is scanned and transmitted via radio to the PC, which then transmits the storage coordinates to the crane control. Data in relation to weight, dimensions, diameter and width are then checked. Following the manually controlled coil pickup, the crane control is then transferred to the warehouse management system. The coil is then automatically stored in a defined location. The reason for using such an automatic crane at Bilstein is careful material handling and the resulting improved quality. Storage data, crane movements, status reports and various other data are displayed on the control panel. Every 6 minutes a coil is requested by the processing section for the split strip installation and is brought into the waiting area by the crane. High availability, short cycle times and optimum space utilization with fewer personnel were additional important factors for automating the storage facility. Every year, IB Andresen Industry processes over 500,000 tons of steel. The factory lies directly adjacent to the Autobahn, railway and harbour. This results in simple lines of communication and at the same time means that one can always choose the most appropriate form of transport. The coils arrive in the Neuburg Steel Terminal, the first fully automatic coil store in Europe. Here, both the acceptance and the issuing of the coils, when they are stored and retrieved, is carried out automatically.